Cooking invert syrup. Mix sugar 200 grams with water 75 milliliters. Put on medium fire. As the mixture boils, add citric acid, a half of teaspoon. Stir with spatula. To cover with a lid, cook on the smallest fire for 20-30 minutes. Redness to check by taking a drop of syrup. Put on a plate. Cool down quickly. Check with your finger. If a thread of syrup forms, then it is ready. Turn off the fire. Add soda. 1/4 teaspoon. The mixture will bubble up, so be it. In after 10 minutes, the foam does not go away. Add a little more water. Like this. I got a dark syrup. I overexposed it a little on the fire, but this not affect the taste. Can be stored up to 2 weeks without a refrigerator and up to 2 months in the refrigerator.